today guys I'm gonna show you and demonstrate you and explain you everything about that's not this. I have been asked so many times guys which size of Aqua stamp I should use, which size I should use this day and another day, how to combine these two sizes of Aqua stamp, and how to do like weekly routine, Monday, Wednesday or Saturday. You guys are confused, so here we go. Today I have a video explaining how often each of Aqua stamp size you should be using. Now I have 0.25, this one is 0.25 and this one is 0.6. I don't know guys if you're going to catch the size on the camera, but this one is smaller needle, this one is bigger needle. I have so far only two sizes on my website. I'm working on the third one. So 0.25 should be used like no more often than every 2 days. Use only twice a week. If you have really sensitive skin, start with once a week. This size is smallest size, but some people who have sensitive skin still say it's like, oh my god, it's hurting and everything. Also, if you guys sensitive to micro needling, you can always use numbing cream. All the products, all the recommendations gonna be down below under this video in the description box. So now guys, I'm starting to show how I do combine those two sizes. I'm filling in this stamp vitamin C booster, which is 20% vitamin C booster, natural products only, and advanced hyaluronic acid serum. Both are my brand. I haven't found on the market something that will be natural to be injected in this Aqua stamp. So far I like this serum. If you guys have anything other like natural, I will appreciate recommendations because other people are asking too. So guys, I'm starting with this Aqua stamp, but before that, what I do, I always disinfect my skin. I'm disinfecting my skin with aerobic alcohol, which is isopropyl alcohol, 70%. I'm taking on the cotton a little bit and I'm going gentle all over my face where I'm going to use micro needling. Okay, so basically after I disinfect my skin with alcohol, I'm waiting until it's going to be dry. Isopropyl alcohol dries really fast, and I'm starting with the forehead. This size can be used on the entire face guys, so there is no limitations. Like for example with 0.6 there can be some limitations which I'm going to talk later. Now is 0.25, but basically I'm going to these places where skin is more sensitive, where I shouldn't go with 0.6. So my under eye area is not very sensitive, but I have thin skin there and I don't want to go there with 0.6. So I'm starting over here, not very close to the eye area, but I'm just doing farther a little bit. I'm going back and forth up to 10 times. Doing the same for this eye. Next step, I'm going to do on my forehead. I'm just doing horizontal lines for now. Now after I'm done with the forehead guys, I'm gonna do lips, but I forgot to disinfect my lips. I always do my lips with 0.25. If you're very tough, you have a lot of experience with the 0.25 on your lips, then you can totally do with 0.6, but me, I still kind of want to do only with 0.25. So I'm taking stamp. I try to do this duck face, you know, like you see on Instagram. So now I'm gonna start to do on my nose for the blackheads. It's really good to shrink the pores, and if you have open pores, if you have blackheads, if you have whiteheads, this is a really great way to get rid of your blackheads. So I'm stamping my nose, and basically with this size I'm done. Now I'm going to be using 0.6 for the rest of my face and the neck also. I am taking vitamin C booster, shake it. And basically now 0.6 is going for the rest of my face. So I'm starting with this cheek. This size is really deep. It's much deeper than 0.5 Dermaroller. I will say that this feels like 0.75 Dermaroller. Aqua stamp has 18 individual real gold plated needles. Basically it goes into the skin and serum follows that needle, so you're basically doing like mini injections at home, and everybody know what mini injections do for the face. We all say we don't know, but everybody know. Makes your skin tighter, beautiful, more plumped, younger, diminishes fine lines, is great for hyperpigmented skin. It removes really like dark spots that you have after acne or after sun exposure. If you have acne scars, this size is really good for acne scars. You can even use on the scalp, on the body, on the cellulite, wherever you have. For example, me, I had the acne over here and now it's like a dark spot left, so I'm going a little bit like extra on that spot, focusing more. And if you have any lines that is bothering you, you can go ahead and do a little bit extra love, extra work on that spot. For example, if you have a nasolabial fold lines over here, you can give extra love. If you're gonna ask what is wrong with my lips, guys, I'm always biting my lips all the time. And if you have any suggestion for me, anything, because I have tried everything. I have tried lip balms, I have tried lipsticks, I have tried injections in the skin, nothing is working. I'm biting my skin like crazy. So if you have any suggestion, advice for me, stop biting my lips. I just have this bad habit. I will really appreciate if you leave down in the comments. Oh my god, this habit is like the worst. So more extra love here. And now I'm going to this cheek. If you feel that serum is not coming out really well, you can like kind of like lift that cheek up. Don't forget, guys, over here the spot also next to the ears. And now I will do my neck for the rest of the serum. It's not easy for the neck. You know why? Because kind of head you can lift it, and for the neck serum bottle it has to be like at least like 90 degrees for serum to be able to come out. So you kind of like have to do this but I'm just trying as much as possible. For the neck, you can really start with 0.6. It's not painful at all. Okay, and I want to give extra love for those lines over here that I have, you know, those. And also with this stamp, you can do on your hands. I always do on my hands, and I get so many compliments that my hands look younger than my face. On the hands, you can do the same thing with 0.6. See? And that one you can even do on the fingers. Did you know you can aqua stamp your fingers? Actually, yes. Yes. And if you don't want to have like a crippled old looking fingers and hands, you should aqua stamp too. Alright, now guys, if you want to use them together, so this is what you do. For example, with this size, you shouldn't be doing more often than once a week if you advance. If you not advance, every 10 days. Now, if you, for example, do face on Monday with 0.25 and you want to use next time 0.6, you should wait after this size at least 2 days to use that one, or to use them together after using this one. After you use 0.6, you should wait at least 5-6 days to use 0.5. So guys, I know it's a little bit complicated. If you're using with Dermaroller, can be complicated too, but I want to tell you, like, less is more. Don't overdo. Some people asking me, oh, I have a stamp this and Dermaroller 5 sizes, and I have all these serums, and I have a retinol, and I have a alpha hydroxy, and I have a tretinoids, and I have a bunch of stuff, and people want to use everything in 1 week. Don't do this. Please, better wait longer, more distance between using Dermarollers. You always have to wait at least 3-4 days if you're using bigger size. If you're using small size, 2 days it's fine. But if you're using after this longer needle, you want to use shorter needle, you have to wait at least 5 days. Let your skin cells rejuvenate. Let your skin heal before using another size. I'm just giving you honest advice from me with my experience. Now, when serum is absorbed, when everything is dry, I'm washing these with the water. I let it rinse. I put my finger like this to let out all the water, and I do the same with the alcohol. I pour alcohol inside and I just do this until alcohol is going out, and then I keep like this on the counter, let it dry completely, then close. And for the next time using, I do not disinfect separately. Guys, if you have any questions, I know maybe I didn't mention something today, let me know down in the comments below. Whatever you're going to follow after is up to you. Some people are fine just with these serums, some people might need cream. After that, what I'm using cream is Gin Amber Beauty. This is 10% vitamin C plus squalane repairing cream, which is also can be used after dermarolling. It's really really great cream. You can even use this cream under eyes. It's really not irritating. It's natural antioxidant, like a bomb of antioxidants, brighten under eye circles. You can totally use this under eye. You can totally use this on the lips, on the hands. Funny thing that you really don't need much. You need it just like a small dot like this, and still serums there. I feel wet, so you basically mix it and you have this hydration feeling. It doesn't dry, because some people might have like a dry skin and applying serums like water formula serums like I have might feel a little bit dryness, but water formula serums absorbing the deepest and the best into the skin. That's why I have them all water formula. And yeah, so guys, if you have any questions, leave me down below in the comment section. I will be happy. I will answer to you whatever I didn't talk today. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my beauty channel, please click the red button, subscribe down below, and you will be notified about my beauty videos that I post probably like every 3-4 days. Love you guys. Bye.